Republic Act 8750. Seatbelt Use Act of 1999. An act requiring the mandatory compliance by motorists of private and public vehicles to use seatbelt devices, and requiring vehicle manufacturers to install seatbelt devices in all their manufactured vehicles. What is the purpose of wearing the seatbelt?
Seatbelts are designed to retain people in their seats.
And also to prevent or lessen injuries if you experience car crash.
That is correct.
Benefits of RA 8750. It keeps car occupants from being thrown against the interior of the car, such as the windscreen or dashboard. It restrains passengers from hitting other car occupants, and it keeps drivers and passengers from being ejected from the car. What might happen if you won't buckle up or you won't use seatbelt? One of the things that might happen is the following video. A family of four is driving home. Buckled up or die. How to use seatbelt. Step 1. Position yourself properly. Step 2. Pull the shoulder strap across your body. Step 3. Locate the seatbelt buckle with your other hand. Step 4. Insert the seatbelt. Step 5. Make sure you are fully secured. Step 6. Adjust the shoulder belt to your body. Step 7. Tighten the belt at the hips.